The breathing technique that I'm going to talk about is called box breathing, and this is a good breathing technique for reducing anxiety, slow down the heart rate, and restore calmness. So there are variety of breathing techniques depending on what you aim for, but this one is a very simple one, and the steps are like, for first step you just have to inhale in for 4 seconds, and then you slowly exhale for 4 seconds. You hold your breath for 4 seconds, and then you repeat the sequence for at least 5 minutes. It's very simple and easy. Did we try?
Sure.
Okay. Okay, we can go for the last time.
Yeah.
Yep, that's basically it.
Easy, quite easy, and
Yeah.
good.